Habang mahimbing na sa pagtulog si Dustin, si Will mukhang nagkalakas ng loob nang kausapin si Bianca.
For the past 2 years, like, never really got to talk serious. No, hindi natin napag-usapan ng maayos what we needed na mapag-usapan talaga. But I appreciate you. The understanding, the patience you gave me. Sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga. I really wanna be friends with you. I really wanna get to know you more as a person, not like a co-actor. Hindi lang bilang as love team, hindi lang bilang as co-work. So I really wanna get to know you more. I know I'm friends with Dustin, pero serious, I wanna be friends with you. I know I'm friends with Dustin, pero serious, I wanna be friends with you. Kasi alam ko na isa ka sa makakaintindi talaga sa akin. I know that you know a lot from me. I opened up to you a lot. Yun lang. Basta, I just wanna take this opportunity to tell you what I feel. Kasi I can tell you this tomorrow. Kasi wala akong lakas ng loob talaga. Kilala mo naman ako sa personally. I don't really confront.
Yeah.
I just want you to know na I appreciate you. You helped me a lot. I hope na alam mo yun.
Thank you. That took you 2 years to tell me.
Yeah. Pero seryoso, the support you gave me 2 years ago, never ko makakalimutan.
Tagal na nun.
Di biro yun, ha? September to October, nakilala natin isa't isa talaga. I value you a lot.
I don't know what to say. I'm just listening to you. Pero ako, grateful ako na open up mo yan ngayon. Because I never got to hear those words from you for the past 2 years. I mean, appreciate din kita.
I just hope na maging okay talaga tong, let's say, second chance. Na-appreciate ko yun kung paano kita nakikita everyday. Kasi hindi naman natin nakita talaga yung isa't isa. Kung paano talaga tayo. Nag-lock in tayo pero hindi yung ganito. Di ba? I really am happy. You never know. Pero gaya nga ng sabi ko sa'yo, whatever happens, respect ko. Whatever your decision will be, respect ko talaga. Basta kung saan ka happy, I'd be happy.
I know, but I want to let you know that na-appreciate din kita and the bond that we had 2 years ago, hindi man yun may babalik from before, pero we can start a new friendship, start over. I don't know kung ano yung may kalalabasan niya, but we'll get there.
Yeah. Kung ano man yung kalabasan, i-accept ko talaga fully. Kung ano man yung kayang mong ibigay, i-accept ko talaga fully. I know it's not easy naman, pero I appreciate na little by little nangyayari yan. Kasi gusto ko lang maging comfortable ka talaga sa akin. Gusto ko isa ako sa masabihan mo ng problems mo. Kasi ako personally gusto ko talaga ikaw yung masabihan ko ng problems ko. Kasi ikaw yung talaga yung nakakaintindi sa akin. Out of all people dito sa loob ng bahay. Yun lang talaga yung intention ko. And I hope mabigyan mo ko ng chance to do it. Anyway guys, Dustin and you, meron kayong own understanding, meron kayong, let's say, own world. Basta pagkakaintindi ko lang. Pero I wanna be there for you. I wanna comfort you bilang the one na makakaintindi sa'yo the most.
Sorry, pwede ba bukas na yung next time natin pag-usapan? But I really appreciate you opening up to me right now. It's just that hindi ko alam kung ano ma-feel ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-respond sa'yo. And I think that was a lot for me. I mean, I really appreciate you opening up to me right now. Sobra talaga. Yeah, thank you.
And it's okay. Yeah.
Sorry. I want to open up to you. I just don't know where to start.
Hindi mo kailangan pilitin just because I opened up to you. Whenever you're ready talaga.
Kain ka na. Kain ka na.
Yeah, go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Basta whenever you're ready talaga. Okay lang ako. Basta I appreciate you. Listen.
Appreciate you too.
Papahiram ko sa